Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna onigiri at home, updated. Start by cooking sushi rice until tender, then season with rice vinegar, salt, and a touch of sugar. Mix drained canned tuna with mayo and soy sauce in a bowl. Wet your hands, shape rice into triangles, add tuna filling, then seal and wrap with nori. Serve warm or pack for lunch. Enjoy immediately or refrigerate for a day. Combine drained tuna with mayo, soy sauce, and a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Taste and adjust seasoning before filling rice. For spicy versions, add sriracha or chili oil. Use about 2 tablespoons of filling per onigiri to avoid overflow. Mix gently to keep texture. Cover bowl to keep tuna fresh while you shape rice. This filling works well warm or chilled and travels well in a lunchbox for picnics. Quick recommendation: if you like comfort, try Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty for everyday wear and hikes. They are remarkably durable and cozy. They also wick moisture and fit snugly. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a pair. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Cool rice slightly so it's warm but not hot before shaping. Wet your hands with salted water, take a handful of rice, make a dent, add filling, then mold firmly into a triangle. Press edges so they seal and the filling stays inside. Cut a 3-5-inch strip of nori and wrap the base for grip and flavor. Store finished onigiri in a bento box. Consume within a day for best freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.